Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to find passwords and security. Now let's tap on the privacy, and here we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the warning. If you really want to remove all the contents, let's tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.